Hello, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you, okay? Today we're going to go over a foot technique. Okay, so we're going to use it to go into an area, so it looks like this. Right, so you can do that, you can put the chicken wing into it, okay? I think I've done this in a slow-mo Sunday, so I'll link that down below. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to get used to this forward figure eight. When we come on this direction, so you know you go here, then there, here, then there, yes? What we're then going to do is we're just going to plop it over so it lands on our foot like so, okay? If you watch. And then I'm just going to lift my foot in the air. So I go here, then up. Okay, that will cause the nunchuck to jolt into this hand, okay? So pretty simple, right? So you go here, and there. There's another one which you can also do. I'm wearing some tight jeans, so I don't know how good it's going to be. But basically, it does involve a forward stool. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go here, and you're going to try and make the nunchuck land there, like so. Do you see? From there, you're going to pick it up. Right, so watch. You're going to go here, forward figure eight, stool back, stool underneath. Watch. Do you see? So watch. Forwards figure eight, stall back, stall underneath the foot, and then kick it up. Okay, so watch, whoosh, whoosh. You got that one and this one. Okay, so I hope they do both help you out. They're two techniques which I have found out myself. So enjoy, please enjoy learning. I'm enjoying teaching you, yeah. So please support my channel. I do this for free of charge. I don't ask for any money. Okay, or I'll never ask for any money because it's all part of sharing knowledge, it's part of life, you see. So, hope this helps you out, and I'll see you again soon. Au revoir.